How's it going, guys? Today we will be reviewing the Tpob Play Clipper and Trimmer. This one dropped. It has a while now, not too long ago. You guys usually got the Tpob all white clipper, and then you got the Tpob all white trimmer. All right, first let's do the clipper. So I've already opened this. I've used it. I'm just saying, but this is typically what you get. Nice box, you know, Tpob right there, right there. Some more graphics on the side, and then you got 5 hours runtime, the XO play blade, and dual speed motor. So you have a low and high setting. So whenever you open the box, it has this nice art piece, and then it comes with a stand. It does come with the charger. Boom. You got your guards. You have half all the way, I believe, to a 4. You got all these. I don't know if there's. I don't really know if they're premium. Pretty sure they are. They're pretty sturdy, pretty good. So you got the half all the way to a 1, to a 4. I mean, my bad. And then you have the clipper itself. All white, the XO blade on there, low and high. It's also a 5-click lever, super nice. So from using it, I've been using it already for a while now. It's really good. It reminds me a lot of the JRL clipper, and honestly, I feel like it's kind of the same. It's just different branding, right? The charger itself is the same as the JRL. The guards you get from like the package are the same as the JRL. Even the whole, you know, clicky thing inside the lever is from even the low and high JRL. Literally, this is probably like, if you want an alternative from a JRL, this one's really good. The blade on it is really good. The fade blade on here is really good. The XO play blade. It has a small, slight crunch to it, but it's a really, this one's solid, dude. Like, it's really solid. For 5 hours on a long day at the shop, go to for sure. Fades amazing. But yeah, this is the Tpob Play Clipper. So now we will be doing the Tpob Play Trimmer. 3 hours runtime, pencil blade, and 58 decibel motor. So it's very quiet. Same thing, graphics. You got this in the back. It came sealed in a plastic wrap, so it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice packaging. Really, really nice. And as soon as you open it, you got more. You got more designs on there, same as the clipper. And then you take out the clipper. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Nice pencil blade. Boom. It kind of like I mentioned, bro. Like, it's kind of like the JRL. The JRL has the same setup. You can probably use the same blade, to be honest with you. Why get a crazy blade when you can just get a JRL blade, right? All white out. Nice, super nice. It comes with a dock, charging stand. Same thing. They're interchangeable with the clipper, so you can use the clipper on here too. It works pretty good. And then on here, you get a screwdriver, the thing to adjust it, a little thing right there, an L key, and some oil. And then here's where the charger was. But like I mentioned, I've opened these already and used them. Now, with that being said, with the trimmer itself, it's nice. Don't get me wrong. But when you go with thick straight hair, and you try to line it up, it will not cut. It pushes the hair a little bit, you know. Obviously, if you're trying to go through bulk like that, it's gonna push hair. It's not really gonna cut straight, you know. For debulking though, I would say it's a 7 out of 10. It debulks pretty good. The blade's obviously pretty small, but for lining up, edge ups and everything, really good. But like I mentioned, if you try and do that front lineup and you have thick straight hair, it will push the hair. I'm just giving an honest review about it. You know, it does push it. I've also been using this for a while, and don't get me wrong, it's a really good set. The play and the trimmer, all white out, super nice. It's just that it does sometimes push hair. Doesn't matter how hard you press it. But yeah, this is the Tpob play trimmer, the newest one out. Super popular, everyone's getting it. But yeah, that is my review of the Tpob play set. It's super nice, don't get me wrong. At the end of the day, they get the job done, you know. Here they are, super sleek. Like I mentioned, it's a pretty good set, dude, don't get me wrong. For the price point on these, and like if you're on a budget and you want to rock these, like these are literally the ones to go to. Really, really good. I recommend. Like I mentioned, this one, it's good. You might have to tweak with it. This one, no tweak needed. Perfect. Fades amazing. But yeah, if you guys like the video and you guys want to keep watching content like this, be sure to subscribe. Be sure to turn on those notification bells. I appreciate you guys for watching, and until the next one, guts out.